When Ed Kilgore took the weekend sports anchor seat at WGR-TV in 1973, Buffalo's professional sports teams were emerging on the national sports scene. The Sabres and Braves were in their fourth season as expansion teams, and the Bills finished a respectable second in the NFL's AFC East Division. As an anchor, Kilgore covered professional, collegiate, and high school sports with equal enthusiasm for 4 decades, reporting the good, the bad, and the controversial. Born and raised in Oregon, Kilgore attended high school in Macon, Missouri, and continued his education at the University of Missouri on a partial baseball scholarship. After graduating with a journalism degree, Kilgore landed positions with the NBC affiliate in San Antonio in 1970 and with the Houston ABC affiliate in 1972. He came to Buffalo in 1973 as a weekend sports anchor and host of Bowling for Dollars, and a year later became the sports director. During his tenure at Channel 2, Kilgore hosted the Lou Saban and Chuck Knox shows, the Sabres TV broadcasts, and the Jim Kelly Show. In 1993, his 3-part series on sports memorabilia collecting earned Kilgore a New York Emmy for Best Sports Reporting and several AP and UPI Sports Reporting awards. While he often chronicled the struggles of athletes, he was equally committed to the struggles of young people fighting drug and alcohol addictions and has helped raise funds for kids escaping drugs for over 20 years. In 2010, at age 62, Kilgore organized a successful expedition to Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa, reaching the 19,000-foot summit and raising more than $40,000 for kids escaping drugs. Inducted into the Broadcasters Hall of Fame in 2010, Kilgore authored his first book, As I've Seen It, Wide Right, No Goal, and Other Buffalo Sports Sagas, taking readers behind the scenes with the Buffalo Bills, Sabres, Bisons, and Braves. Ed Kilgore, forever enshrined in the Greater Buffalo Sports Hall of Fame.